form, which you need to fill out. You're more than welcome to read it. But I do need you to initial right here, and then put your information here, sign and initial.
Okay.
If you are you staying at like a hotel?
Yes.
So just put the name of the hotel that you're staying at.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I give you cash instead?
That's more than welcome. And of course, I'll deliver it back to you.
Yeah, I like challenges. So.
And by the way, it comes with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and you want spicy or not spicy? That is a challenge, not spicy.
Wait, what's the difference between the challenges? They're like spicy or not?
The burger comes automatically spicy because not everybody likes spicy.
Okay.
So it will be the same sauce, just not spicy.
I sweat too much.
So just go ahead and print your name and then sign it. This is the name of the whole thing staying on.
Here we got the contestant. Tell me, how does it feel?
Feels good. I'm
Yeah?
excited.
Do you think you'll be able to finish it under 10 minutes?
I think so.
Okay, what time?
I don't know. I know I can do it for sure under 10 minutes.
Okay.
I mean, I'm feeling confident now. I don't know.
There you go. Any special words for anybody?
Kids will try this out.
All right, let's see what happens.
Oh, sorry, bro.
No, that's okay. I'm just recording the patties.
Let me just remove this so you can get a better idea on what it is.
I appreciate that.
Yeah,
Look at that. Woo! Those 3 right there. You see that? You're supposed to be rooting for him. Come on. Don't look at that. That's too funny. All the people who didn't make it. Your picture's not gonna be here, so.
Hopefully not.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
The only problem you're gonna have is the temperature of the beef. If you're starving, maybe you can do it, but the temperature of the beef, you gotta eat it while it's hot. Just right off the grill. So a little tip, if you don't mind it, the water we give you, dip the meat in the water. Okay. That's the only way you're gonna get that temp down. Okay. I can do it. If you can do it. Some people they don't like the texture. You gotta eat the water with the meat and all of that, but that's the only tip I'm gonna give you. All right. So I'm gonna thank you.
There you go.
Let's go. Are you hungry? Yeah! Don't forget to eat all your vegetables, huh? Not just the meat, okay?
Let's go.
Oh my god. $40 burger.
You're not gonna make fun of me because of my sliders now, huh?
Yeah, that's true. But still, it holds true.
Oh, I got utensils. That's what's up.
Oh, can I?
Don't tell anybody I told you to see.
Just so I can see his face. There you go. There we go.
Did we just turn the...
This?
Yeah.
Like it.
Just because I gotta take a photo
Okay.
with the sign in it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Got 10 minutes. Ready?
Do I get a beer too?
If you want to walk there, I can give you one.
Try the cold.
Nice. Want to say a few words to wrap up the video?
Man, I thought I had it, but my fingertips looked red. My mouth was on fire, man. Like it was burning.
It's really making a metal knife would have been nice.
Like I could still keep eating, but I was like, why am I gonna keep eating if I'm just gonna get the stomach right now?
Yeah. There you go. That's gonna taste delicious then.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Great job. He's like, yeah.